in this case study, going to discuss about the how smart home monitoring system using cloud and IoT using. So in this case study, going to discuss this topic. Let's start with the intro part.
Good morning, folks. Today we are here to see a case study on smart home monitoring using cloud IoT. When we hear smart home monitoring using IoT, we get the knowledge of devices used in this system, like cameras, sensors, locks, and other home appliances. These appliances are the means of input we get from the environment, and this input is used to get the output from this monitoring system. This input processes data ingestion, security, and storage and processing, and finally delivery. In the first step, the data should be collected from the sensors and the cameras. For example, in a smart home, we are using a CCTV and some temperature sensors. Through that, we are collecting several analog data, which is stored in the cloud as analog data. For few data should be collected there, and after that, the second step would be processed. That is a security process, where the authentication would be processed. That is encryptions. Those analog data would be sent to a cloud storage where before entering it, the security would be encrypted. Once the data is encrypted, only next step would be processed. The third step would be processing. In this processing, the data should be entered in the cloud. There would be a gateway. For that, for example, we will take it as a a logic would be created. For example, if person enters, it would be given as a true or false statement. It's a logic statement, and then temperature would be sensed, like certain degree Celsius, which we have been already set it as a predefined value. All these data should be stored in the and processed in that particular process, and next it moves to the storage process, where all these data and predefined temperatures and footages, all these things would be stored there, so that we can collect a large amount of storage there, so that at the end we would get small data, and we can analyze what we have used throughout a month. For example, we are using several appliances in our house. We can analyze that how much appliances have been used for how much period of time, so that at the end of the process, during using a web page or an application, we can analyze how much hours and thing has been used. So this is the major file process, that is from data ingestion to delivery of those data, and in between those data storage has been done.
Okay. So as we were speaking about its purpose working, it also involves like many applications and benefits. So when we first speak about application, the most common one we think of is surveillance cameras, which is basically used everywhere. We can use cloud IoT to improve our home security through safety locks and surveillance cameras. It also provides support, we can use it to control the intensity of light and airflow in fan. It also uses different processes, and coming to its benefits, it's one of the most one is we can access it through remote, and it also provides remote and real-time alerts, and we can use better backups for this.
So okay, now I am going to explain about the key components which we use in this system. So basically, we will be using like sensors, smart devices, connectivity, and cloud platform and user interface. Starting from the sensors, the sensors are actually the one thing which actuates the process. Okay, it will receive an input and give an output. So we'll be using sensors like temperature sensor, gas sensor, smoke sensors, and door lock sensors. And the smart devices which we use in these are like smart bulbs, cameras, and automatic doors for.
Okay guys, I want to conclude that by means of IoT and cloud, we are making our lives more optimized and more developed, because technology development is to make human lives better and more easier to live. By means of what I said about cameras in cloud, because the storage videos are mostly saved in cloud, and they can be used for future use also. And electricity use also can be monitored through IoT and cloud, and we can optimize it finally. We can take the output and we can optimize our lives, and like we can reduce current bills and other things, because some products may increase, take more amount of current, and which can make our bills more higher, and it's not reliable, right? So that we can use cloud and IoT in our lives to make it more optimized and better.
Okay. From this we can conclude our topic. As said, we have discussed about how IoT helping in the smart home system by monitoring, and also we have discussed what are the techniques used in the IoT with and integrated with cloud. So thanks for watching. Thank you.